The lonely grasslands of a Kansas late winter are often brightened by marsh hawks. These tireless hunters soar low over fields in search of prey. Correctly known by birders as northern harriers, they are often called marsh hawks for their common association with wetlands. Harriers prefer these habitats because of their abundant food choices. Though small mammals make up much of their menu, birds, insects, reptiles, and carrion are also eaten. Kansas marshes are often home to a ready food source, millions of roosting blackbirds. Sick and injured birds make easy pickings for these keen-eyed birds of prey. Northern harriers hunt by sound as well as sight, soaring low over the cattails and listening for prey. They possess a facial disc similar to owls that helps them hear prey moving deep in the vegetation. They often wheel and plunge in abrupt maneuvers to surprise a victim. They rest frequently on low perches but fly up to 100 miles a day while circling small areas. These hawks are easily identified by a prominent white rump patch and long tail. Females are mottled brown, dark underneath, and larger than males. Males are light gray with white underparts. Flight tends to hug the Earth's contours, and hunting height is usually less than 20 feet. But marsh hawks will also soar and play on thermals when they're not hungry. Northern harriers are uncommon breeders in Kansas, seen here mainly as a winter migrant from their far northern homes. Soon they'll dwindle as spring arrives. But in the meantime, they're a common and interesting part of the Kansas winter outdoors. Watch for them. I'm Mike Blair for Kansas Wildlife and Parks.